Hello friends, I'm Kalpana of Shambhavi Boutique. Today I'm going to show you Tussar silk sarees, the new collections in our store. What is Tussar silk and what is the difference between Tussar silk and Kanjivaram silk? Tussar silk is called as Kosa silk in Sanskrit, they say. And the difference is the Kanjivaram silk, the silkworms live in the mulberry tree leaves. They eat the mulberry tree leaves. Whereas the Tussar silk worms are they eat the trees in wild forests, especially Arjun tree, they say. So they are very easy to wear and easy to maintain also. So I will show you the collections in our store. So we will have the Tussar sari collection. To begin with, this is a pure Tussar sari and this has got embroidery work in this, and it has got a lovely border. This actually it is maroon and brown mixed, I think. It's a beautiful shade, and this has got a beautiful blouse too. This is the blouse. Okay, this is the first sari. The second one is, this is actually the Tussar color. This is they call it as the chiku color. So usually they take the yarn in this color and then they dye it into other colors. So the famous one in Tussar sari, the color is, this is the color. So this is a chiku color, and this has got embroidery on this. It's a beautiful one, and this has got a pallu is also this. It's a beautiful sari, and with small dots, even that is also done in the thread, these dots, and it is with a black blouse. So next we have another magenta and maroon mixed with a nice gold border. This looks like a pure silk sari. The design is like this with a gopuram and with a pallu, and this has got a beautiful blouse also. This is the sari. So the next sari is also a chiku color sari. Again, this is the one which is quite popular, and this has got a blouse. This is the blouse for this. This is the, even this has got the patchwork here. The next sari is a plain with contrast pallu and with a contrast blouse. Blue with blue pallu, yellow body and blue blouse. The next one is a printed tussar, which is very lightweight, easy to wear and easy to manage also. And this has got a plain blouse. This has got a plain blouse. This is the pallu. Actually, these saris are very easy to manage at home also. Dry clean is advised, but in case you want to wash it at home, you can don't have to squeeze it too much. You just have to dip it in water, wash it, and then iron it and put it in the shade. So this is a jute and tussar mixed with the organza pallu, and this has got a it's got a maroon blouse to match with. This has got embroidery, a jute one, and this has got a organza pallu. Very pretty sari, and it's a honey shade, I would say. The next one is also a half white color with the zari running here, and this is a painted design. This has got paint. It's painted with beautiful flowers all over, and this has got a blouse. Actually, you can match it with any kind of blouse. Even a multicolor blouse would look nice for this. So like this. Hand paint this is. Next one, again a jute with a jamdani pallu, a jute tussar. This is actually silver and a little bit of gold mix with the blouse is also going to be very beautiful one. This is the blouse. Yeah, this is the jamdani pallu. So combination is very pretty in this. And this is another printed tussar. Very soft it is, in grey and green, and with a green with a nice pallu, and it has got stripes design. This actually will make you look taller. So this is the blouse for this. So these are some of the tussar saree collections in our store. If you want to know the price, you can WhatsApp me 9841380360. Again I repeat, 9841380360. Thank you.